Hi, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to work smarter and not harder for customer growth. So basically, I own a website, simply a basic one-page website that's already generating leads that I'm passing on to a business owner. Note that this is a case study website, just a single page website highlighting gutter repair, which is a very high ticket service for those in the contracting industry. And basically this is it, and it's been around for about 8 months, and just a few days ago it generated a lead asking for a gutter estimate of 1,800 square feet. So there's quite an amount of job for a client. So back to today's video, we're talking about how to work smarter and not harder for customer growth. So what if customers came to you already ready to buy instead of spending hours, just like the lady I showed you not quite long? So well, I'm Goodness, and today I got a message from someone in McKinney, Texas, asking for a quote to install gutters on their 800 square foot house. They found a website I built, which is basically this one here, through Google search. Just typing in keywords like gutter repair, you can see the website here, or typing gutter cleaning or gutter replacement, you can see this is the site right here. Or you type in gutter company McKinney, and that's how they found this website. I didn't chase them, I didn't cold call, I didn't knock on their door. They found me because I worked smarter, not harder. And in the next 10 minutes I will show you exactly how. So working harder isn't really working for most businesses. They spend all day chasing leads, calling local people, looking for connections they can hang up with other contractors and share. While this is actually good, but you need to have your own channel of marketing or channel of acquiring customers. So basically nobody actually knocks on the door, or if you knock on the door, it's a pain in the ass for persons who have done it. So others post on social media groups looking to get attention from lots of other persons struggling to actually get this particular person looking for this gutter installation job. So it's a lot of competition out there in the market. So you need to own your own marketing channel. So at the end of the day, maybe they get one or two persons interested, maybe. But here's the problem. They are really working hard, but they are working in the wrong places. It's like trying to catch a fish by running through the forest instead of sitting by the lake where the fish actually is. So customers aren't waiting for you to call them. They are already searching on Google for what they need, and if your business doesn't show up when they search, they will find someone else and hire them instead. That's not working smarter. That's just losing customers to whosoever show up first. So basically, if I want to do a gutter repair, I'll just go on Google. So there are just basic ways I ask. And I ask a friend or a colleague who had done gutter repairs before, or I ask a neighbor. But the other first thing to do without needing to worry anybody is just to go on Google or Bing or whatever search engine it is you use. You just type gutter repair near me, gutter contractors near me, gutter service experts near me. And these are basically keywords people are looking for. Over time, it has been studied that these are buyer intent keywords that contractors are actually looking to get. So people who are looking for this kind of keywords, who are typing this kind of keywords into Google, are already in the buying mode. They are looking to inquire to get a quote right now and possibly fix it. So after you must have gotten the leads, it's up to you to actually close this lead. So the real lead I got today, let me show you what working smart actually looks like. So I got a lead through the gutter website I told you, this which is this one here. The website had been sitting on the first page of Google for over 8 months. I didn't update it, I didn't touch anything, just sit there and bring in customers. So this was a customer I brought about 18 hours ago at the time of this recording. And the customer was looking for an estimate for 800 square foot house. And basically that's it. So the person found this website by searching gutter installation McKinney or gutter company McKinney. They clicked on the site, they filled out the contact form, and they're ready to hire somebody. That's it. No cold calls, no chasing, no begging for business. Just customers who need gutters found a website and reached out ready to buy. So how did we do this basically? So we built a one-page single website. This is just it. It's just a one-page website. So depending on industry that you're looking at, some industries are way competitive and you need more pages, you need more things to actually install in order for you to actually get the attention of people who are looking for searches. So I didn't build a fancy page, just a single page website, targeting gutter installation, gutter company in the relevant places like the website address, the H1 tag, and throughout the website where it makes sense. So as you can see on the website address, it's in Gutters McKinney. So I'm identifying the service it renders, then the state it renders, the city which you're rendering the service, and the city itself. Then on the headline here, seamless gutter. So there's gutter installation, which is the service I render, the city, and other places on the website also mention Gutters McKinney. So basically, that's all we did in making this design work. So while this works, because Google looks like a librarian, where you ask for a book about gutter installation McKinney, the librarian looks for a book with that exact title. If your website clearly says gutter installation McKinney in important spots, Google knows exactly what you do. The website I built wasn't even professional looking. I'm not a fancy designer. I just made sure it was clean, easy to read, and said exactly what we do and where we do it. So cost, it took me maybe about $15 for a domain, my time, and a couple of money spent on citation building, which brings us to step 2. So you want to list your website or your business in multiple directories as much as possible, such that Google is able to understand that you're a real business. Imagine you getting listed on over 50 different websites with the exact same information. Google then says, oh, this is okay, this is a real company, and they'll show you to exactly people who are looking for you within your area. Another thing you want to ensure that we did was make sure our information was consistent everywhere. Our phone number was the same thing everywhere. Our company address, the company name was the same thing everywhere. And it took me maybe 3 to 4 hours. I didn't pay anything because it's just a case study. For you, you might have to pay someone to do it, or you can do it by yourself in your own free time. So the last thing I did was issued out a press release. A press release that used this service, King's Warrior. So I basically issued out a press release saying, okay, new gutter serving McKinney residents, or affordable gutter installation now available in McKinney. So it cost me around $70 or so. This was the one I used. It cost me around $70, and you get mentioned in over 450 guaranteed placements all over the internet. And you could actually use this as more of like a trust badge on your website, as it's been featured or as seen on Fox and whatever have you. So basically that's all we did, and it took me, let's say, at most 3 to 4 hours to get this all done. So why does this actually work? Most business owners are trying to interrupt people. They're calling people during their dinner. They're sending messages to people who aren't even talking about gutters. They're hoping someone randomly decides they need your services. But with this strategy, you show up exactly when people are already looking for you to sell. Think about it. When someone searches gutter installation McKinney, what does that mean? It means they need gutters right now. Their gutters are broken, water is pouring over the side, they are ready to hire someone today. You're not interrupting them, you're helping them find exactly what they're already looking for. And here's the best part. Once you're on the page 1 of Google, they stay there. You stay there. This gutter website has been ranking for over 8 months without me touching it. It just sits here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, bringing in customers who are ready to buy. If you have a Google business profile in addition to a website, that's a plus for you. So what does it mean for you? So right now, you're probably spending hours every day trying to find your customers, cold calling, door knocking, posting on Facebook, hoping someone sees it. What if instead your phone rang with people who already want to hire you? People who are already searching for your service, people who are already looking at your website, people who are ready to say yes. That's what happened when I got that lead today. Someone searched, found a gutter website, and reached out ready to quote. No convincing needed, no sales pitch, just I need gutters, can you help? Now imagine that happening once a week, then twice a week, then every other day. All because you took a few hours to build a simple website and get it ranking on Google. That's not working hard, that's working smart. Some businesses need more, but this gets you started. So now I want to be honest with you right now. Some businesses might actually need more than just these 3 steps if you are in a competitive city, or you might need to do a bit more. Maybe add a Google business profile, maybe build a few more pages, maybe get some reviews. For most local businesses, the 3 steps are enough to get you started. And once you start showing up on Google, you can always add more to remain there. Also know that SEO takes time. You're not going to build a website today and start getting calls tomorrow. It took about 4 months to get this gutter website ranking on page 1. But once it gets there, it stayed there, and now it's bringing leads in over for 8 months now. So you need to be patient, but the results are worth it. Let me do this for you right now. So this is what I'm offering. I'm going to do this exact same thing for your business. Build this entire website. It might be a one-pager website depending on your competition. Add the relevant keywords to exactly where it is. Add your business to local directory. Submit your press release. Get your ranking on so customers can come chasing you instead of you chasing them instead. And here's the deal. You don't have to pay anything until it's done. I'll build everything as shown here. If you don't have a website already, if you do have a website, we're going to do an audit and fix relevant things, improve the UX. We have our guys at the back end who are going to do all of those things. Done for you service. Why? Because I know this works, and I got a lead from this website just sitting here for over 8 months, and it's been ranking. So you're already ready to work hard, but start working smart. Click the discovery call below this video, and we'll talk about your business, your city, and keywords you want to target. Remember, you're only paying after everything is set up. No risk, no upfront cost. So stop chasing customers and make them chase you. Book a call right now and let's make this happen for your business. Yeah, bye. See you later.